Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Vina Pasuna. This is the statement of the king. What is it? Not the district. Parikshit Maharaj. He said that God consciousness, Krishna consciousness cannot be understood by the animal kingdom. Vina Pasuna. Nidvitta tarsai rupogi yama. You'll find those are animal killers. The so-called Christians and Mohammedans. They cannot understand. They're simply fanatics. Cannot understand what is soul, what is God. They have got some theories and they are thinking we are religion. What is seen, what is pious activities, these things are not understood by them because they are animal killers. It is not possible. Therefore, Lord Buddha propagated ahimsa. Ahimsa. Because he saw the whole human race is going to hell by this animal killing. Let me stop them so that they may, in future they may become sober. Sadaya Hridaya Darshita, two sides. First of all, he was very much compassionate. The poor animals, they are being killed. And another side, he saw the whole human race is going to hell. So let me do something. Therefore, he had to deny the existence of the soul because their brain will not tolerate such things. Therefore, he did not say anything about the soul or God. He said that you stop animal killing. If I pinch you, you feel pain. So why should you give pain to others? Never mind, he has no soul. That's all right. He did not talk anything about soul. So these people say the animals have no soul. But that's all right. But he is feeling pain when you are killing the animal. So you also feel pain. So why should you give pain to others? That is Lord Buddha's theory. Sadaya Hridaya Darshita Pasu Ghatam. Ninnasi Jagga Vidhiraha Suti Jatam. He denied, I don't accept Vedas. Because in Vedas there is sometimes recommendation, not for killing, but for giving rejuvenation to that animal. But killing in that sense is there for sacrifice. So, but Lord Buddha did not accept it, animal killing in sacrifice. Therefore, ninnasi. Ninnasi means he was criticizing. Ninnasi jagga vidhiraha hastuti jat. Sadaya Hridaya Darsh. Why? You are so kind and compassionate. That is Krishna consciousness. God is very kind, very compassionate. He does not like. But when there is necessity, he can kill. But his killing and our killing is different. He is all good. Anyone killed by Krishna, he immediately gets salvation. These things are there. So, immeasurable. You cannot measure what is the soul, but the soul is there, and the body is perishable. Even if you do not fight, you save the bodies of your grandfather and teacher and others as you are so much overwhelmed. So they are perishable. Antavati, today or tomorrow. Suppose your grandfather is already old and So you do not kill him just now or say after 1 year or 6 months. He may die because he is already old. These are the arguments put forward. The main point is Krishna wants Arjuna that he must fight. He must not deviate from his duty as a Kshatriya. He should not be overwhelmed by the bodily destruction. Therefore, he is giving instruction. The body is different from the soul, so don't think that the soul will be killed. You stand up and fight. This is the instruction. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare